Welcome, here I've got Sharp Aquos R2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera leveler at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. So the leveler at this camera is only available in the manual modes, not in the auto. We have to go to the left corner and pick this button. So here we can change the modes of this camera. As you can see, now we are in the auto. Here we have the standard manual, and also we have some easy manual modes. So in this one and all of this, the leveler should be available. Now let's pick the manual, and here we can change some shooting parameters by ourselves. Don't be scared about it, you can also use this on the auto, and I also can invite you to my other film where I explain how to use that. To get access to the leveler, let's go to the right corner and pick this button so we can open the advanced camera settings. Now we are in the picture settings, let's pick the common one, and here we have the water level option. By using this button, we can easily turn on the camera leveler and another tap to turn it off. Now let me keep this turned on. Let's go back to the camera, and as you can see, here it appears at the center with this pink line. This is useful, for example, when we want to keep our photographic topic straight at the picture. And now let me keep this turned on. To show you, let's go back to the left corner and pick again the auto. As you can see, here it is not available. But when we go to easy manual, for example backlight, and OK, we can see that it appears also here. And here also we can go back to the right corner, pick the common settings and use this button to turn it off. So for now, the leveler has gone. This is how to use this here. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.